To create an invoice for a student, select the student from the list of students in that classroom on the Overview tab. Click on Create Invoice from the student's profile. Once the invoice sheet appears, you can begin populating it with the necessary details. Select the academic term, academic year, purpose of invoice, amount, and then write a summary of the invoice. Click on the Create Invoice button to finish. When you click on that student's profile again, you will see their owing status has changed to owing. When you expand the Active Invoices button, you see the new invoice you created. Clicking on this invoice expands the details, and you can report or delete the invoice. To create bulk invoices for a classroom, go to the Invoices tab. Click on the Generate Bulk Invoice button. Now you can begin populating the invoice with the required details. Select the classroom, academic term, academic year, purpose of the invoice. Enter the amount to be paid, and add a summary for the invoice. Once you are done filling out the details, click on Create Invoice. You can now see that all the students in that class will have an owing status. When you switch to the Invoices tab and filter for active invoices, you will find the new invoices we just created, all having the same amount. You will see that the category is the same as well. Expanding each invoice for a student, you will see the details of the invoice, the category, amount, and academic term. We trust that this process is transparent and comprehensible. Greynote School Management Made Easy.